in the Hat is about to appear. He's whizzing over to whisk you away on a fabulous journey today.
He's coming!
And now he's arrived in the thingamajigger, the thing that he drives. He's a cat and he's oodles of fun with his hairy helpers, thing 2 and thing 1. Just start like that. Wherever you're going, wherever you're at, the Cat in the Hat knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about that.